5 bedroom, 5 bathroom, 3,250 square feet. 2-car garage, detached home with all bells and whistles, coming soon in Ford Milton for sale. This is Sanjay Gupta, broker with EXP. Super excited to bring this rare Matami Perth model, just 7 years young home, into Milton market. The curb appeal with Matami's finest French to elevation and beautiful landscaping in front and backyard are just few reasons for you to see this video till the end and pick up that phone to book viewing of this home. Starting with the location, it is on very quiet child-friendly court with no sidewalk on this house, which means you have 4 cars on driveway and 2 cars inside with 1 on extended driveway, so you can park total 7 cars. It is sitting on a wide 43 feet lot with beautiful sunny northeast views in Milton's demanding Ford neighborhood. Minutes walk to the school, park, plaza, supermarket, banks and much more. Highways are just under 10 minutes drive. Simply an unbeatable location to match with your fast lifestyle. It's time to explore this home with me. Unlike many homes, this home has huge porch with patio sitting where you can enjoy reading your novel or sipping through the evening coffee. Welcome to 1190 Mceachern Ct. At the entrance, you will see a gorgeous street-facing separate living room with tons of natural light. You can set this up with full-size sofa and a coffee table to enjoy quick meeting with your guest. This full-size dining room can accommodate 8-seater dining table, so you can enjoy your meals without worrying about space. The most beautiful family room with fireplace will unlock all your entertainment secrets. You can easily invite as many families as you wish in your special occasions. I love watching my favorite Netflix series from here. Special hidden bedroom or office with door is on the main floor is real cherry on the top. Your parents with knee problem can sleep here. IT folks can set up their home office here with quick access to TV and kitchen. This showstopper grand kitchen is where I want you to stop and feel what all you can do here. It has got all stainless steel appliances with cooktop, wall-mounted oven and microwave and full-size pantry and a plenty of cabinet space. The island and the breakfast area are bonus with 2 big windows in the kitchen will make you feel very lively. The backyard is where all action happens and you get fully landscaped backyard with lot more gardening space. The 43 feet wide lot opens an option to add a swimming pool as well. We are upstairs. Total 5 large bedrooms having private access to 3 bathrooms is what makes this house a lot more special. The master bedroom has 2 walk-in closets, 1 linen closet and 5-piece master ensuite to fulfill all your desires and needs. The other 4 bedrooms are equally large and having their own access to the bathroom gives peace of mind to each of your family members. Upstairs laundry is another great feature to buy this home. We are in the basement and that is finished with legal permit having separate side entrance. This basement has 2 bedrooms, 1 den and full-size living room and a kitchenette. You can utilize this basement for all your personal needs or renting it to generate potential income. Overall, this house is 10 out of 10 with absolutely no need to spend a penny and move in with your bags. I am a listing specialist working solely in Milton with only one goal: to help sellers realize their home's best potential with top-class marketing, staging, and bringing them their desired selling price. You can call me or my team to see this home or evaluate your home for free. I'll see you at the next listing, and remember, make a smart move with Sanjay.